You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful, pretty name at least, but how do you say it? If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Avaya, or it's not the only pronunciation, and I believe there are different pronunciations that are used. I've also commonly heard Avaya, so I believe probably different pronunciations like Avaya, Avaya, and more. How do you pronounce it? Let us know with some details in the comments down below. And where are you from? If you have any specific origin or language, let us know as well, so we can learn from you your pronunciation. Thanks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.